Loosen the upper and lower triple clamp screws using a 5mm Allen wrench. Loosen the front axle nut and remove the front axle. Before removing the front axle, ensure that the locking screws on both lower legs are in a relaxed state. Remove the left shock absorber. Use a 3mm Allen wrench to loosen the fender screws and remove the fender. Fix the front fork tube. Use a heat gun to warm the scrap. Be careful not to heat for too long. Usually around 2 minutes is sufficient. Using a ratchet wrench, attach the 27 hex socket and insert it into the bottom cap of the lower leg. Turn it counterclockwise to remove it. Then take out the internal components in the video. This is demonstrated for clarity, but during actual operation, proper safety measures should be taken to avoid burns. After removing the original spring, insert the new spring into the fork tube. The surface of the new spring should be coated with a certain amount of solid lubricant. Assemble the disassembled parts in order and apply thread locker to the threads on the bottom cover. Use a ratchet wrench to install the 27 hex socket into the bottom cover of the lower leg and tighten it clockwise. Then, remove the left shock absorber. Insert the left shock absorber into the corresponding position in the linkage plate and use a 5mm hex wrench to tighten the upper and lower linkage plate screws. Insert the front wheel axle from the lower right corner. And then secure it with the front wheel axle nut.